Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Today's video I'll be showing you guys on how to draft this stylish body pleated puff sleeve. It is very easy to make. You can make bubu with this sleeve, you can make kaftan with this sleeve, you can also make a fitted dress with this sleeve. It depends on your choice. So stay with me, let's move to the work table. On your pattern paper, you will draft your basic sleeve. From my shoulder to my wrist is 23 inches. This sleeve is going to have a band, so I want the band height to be 3 inches, meaning I will be left with length 20 inches. So for the length of this bell sleeve that I'm going to cut, I'm going to double it. I'm going to have length 20 inches times 2. The total length of the sleeve will be 40 inches. Then you will draft your bell shape like so. After that, you will cut it out. The total wideness at the lower part of the sleeve is 20 inches. If you want a bigger puff sleeve, you will increase the wideness. I bought 2 yards of lining to practice this sleeve first. So I'm going to fold the lining into 2 and place the pattern paper on it and trace it out. When cutting, make sure you add your seam allowance. If I want to make a dress with this sleeve, I'm going to buy 6 yards. I realized that this sleeve consumes lots of fabric. One of the damask that I bought one 5 yards, one 4 yards, and I initially planned to use the 5 yards to make this style, but after cutting this sleeve, I realized that the 5 yards won't be enough for me. After cutting, you will open the sleeve like so, then you will locate the midpoint of the sleeve. From the crease line that is on the fabric, I know the midpoint of the sleeve, it is visible. So I will advise that before you draft your fabric, you can give it a good press in order to have crease line on the midpoint of the sleeve. So I first of all measure my seam allowance to join to the shoulder. Then from there I measured the 20 inches length. Then I measure what I have left. So it is from what you have left that you will know how you will pleat. You will know the measurement to pleat on the sleeve. So I have extra 20 inches left. From the shoulder, you first of all measure to your bicep. You can measure either 7 or 8 inches from the shoulder. Then from there you will start measuring either 3 inches or 4 inches. It depends on your choice. Then after that, you will start pleating. From one mark to another, you will pin it down. From one mark to another, you will pin it down. You will continue again. From one mark to another, you will pin it down. At the point where you pin down the pleat, you can either take it to your sewing machine to run a small stitch to hold the pleat together, or you use your needle and thread to tack it down. Then you will also give it a good press so that the pleat will be very fine. The fabric best used for this style is either damask or mikado fabric. When you iron it, it will really come out nice. So as you pleat, you will be measuring to have your length that you want. As you pleat, you'll be measuring what you have left. So after measuring, I have about 22 inches left, which is okay. I'm going to use 1 inch at the top to join to the shoulder. I will use 1 inch at the lower part to join to the band. Then after that, you will either take to your sewing machine to sew gathered stitches, or you use your needle and thread to sew gathered stitches at the lower part of the sleeve. It is these gathered stitches that is going to form that big puff at the lower part. Is because I'm using a very lightweight fabric, that is why the puff didn't really show. But if you use damask or mikado or any other thick fabric, you will see the puff effects. Then after that, you will sew your band. You will cut your band height. The band height is 3 inches. You will add seam allowance to it, half-inch seam allowance to it. Then you will stitch it to the gathered stitches, and that's about it for today's tutorial. We've come to an end of today's tutorial, guys. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you've not done so. I upload weekly tutorial on my channel. Also remember to click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Until I come your way next, please stay safe and remain blessed. Thanks for watching. Bye.